In 2016, the Paris Agreement came into force, a defining moment in the world's collective journey to combat climate change. Today, India is one of the few major economies on track to meet its nationally determined contributions (NDC) under Paris Agreement. DD India's Taposh Bhattacharya brings us more.
On November 4, 2016, the Paris Agreement came into effect, marking a historic turning point in the global fight against climate change. The world came together with one shared goal: to limit global temperature rise and secure a sustainable future for all. It entered into force after 55 countries representing 55% of global emissions ratified the pact. Among those nations that rose to the challenge, India emerged as a key driver of climate action. Guided by the principles of climate justice and sustainable development, India has consistently turned words into results. The launch of the International Solar Alliance, co-founded by India and France, has become a shining example of collective action, bringing together over 100 nations under one solar vision. One sun, one world, one grid. India's initiatives in biofuels, electric mobility, green hydrogen and afforestation reflect its comprehensive approach to sustainability. Under its nationally determined contributions, India is on track to reduce the emissions intensity of its GDP by 45% by 2030 and achieve net zero by 2070. The country has already installed over 180 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity, including solar, wind, biomass and small hydro projects, and is steadily moving toward its target of 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel-based energy capacity by 2030. India's ambitious initiatives such as the National Solar Mission, Wind Energy Mission and the Green Energy Corridor have accelerated the pace of change, while policy reforms and public-private partnerships have strengthened the renewable ecosystem. As the world prepares for COP30 in Brazil, India stands tall as a voice of the Global South, leading by example. Taposh Bhattacharya's report for DD India.